Hi all, I am Swatilekha. Today again I am here with a new video. Today I will do unboxing of a new MCQ book. So for the new people, for the new viewers, if you have not done the subscription to my channel, please do it. This is the book I received from Amazon. I ordered in Amazon. I will give the link of this book in description box below. The condition of the book is fine, I guess. Here and there the plastic is not good, it's damaged only, but I will see the book is damaged or not. I received this Amazon this bill also in inside of it, and the price is in how much I got, that is 649 rupees, and they have taken shipping charges, that is 40 rupees. A book for comprehensive guide for nursing competitive exam, and according to, it's also written according to new examination pattern. Priti Agrawal, Alice Sharma, Vinod Gupta, and they have said that up to 2018 all the examinations are covered, the questions are covered here, and here it's written more than 9,000 MCQs and more than 6,500 key points, updated text, flow chart, table, explained answers of concept based questions. The contents are anatomy, physiology, fundamentals of nursing, medical surgical nursing, midwifery, gynecology, community health nursing, nutrition, pediatric nursing, mental health nursing, pharmacology, microbiology, psychology, sociology, professional trends, nursing research, nursing education, and nursing administration. On this side, all the other exams covered, those are given. Paper 2016, 2017 and 2018. Okay. The paper quality is not that much good, and the target high paper quality is more good. Here I can see back side of this MCQ book, the questions are given. I will see midwifery now. See here, few images are given. Okay, not so good. Still fine, it's given, and point wise theory part is written. Here questions are given, MCQ type of questions are given in OBS. Up to 706 questions are given, and these are the answer keys. Channel is also given. See, right now I cannot say this book is good or bad, but I can say that okay, right now it looks fine. I need to go through it, I need to study a little bit to give more reviews on it. So I will take few more days, and later in any video I will tell about it, about my opinion about this book, this MCQ book. I will take few more days to just study it and just to prepare my own views about it. So after that only I can say that this book is how much good and how much bad. See, not every book cannot be bad, because sometimes something happens, no, for any good book also some answers can be wrong. So just you need to check it that whenever you are studying. So to give that type of opinion I need to go through it little bit and see clearly. I'm saying this is not a sponsored video, only to study and to help others. I am just doing review of this book. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share, and obviously subscribe. And till the time, please wait for my next video. Thank you for watching.